cascading from. It's cascading from rocks. Technically the water is transparent, but on a two-dimensional surface we have to use the color that the water is cascading from. If it's cascading down rocks, it will be the color of the rocks. So you need a mild version of the color of the rock itself. You need to convert that into values. And then you need to change that color to match. The water now has to have a light variation of the actual rock color itself to give that. It's how this. To articulate this theoretically, you have to go into a lot of details. Like you have to understand how many shades of white to use, how many shades of geometry. Like there's something called vanishing point. Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes. And this is like a geometric reference point for illustrating, let's say, a commercialized area, a city.